DJ ATV.
Hi, Konnichiwa. It's another beautiful day. Oh, it's not a beautiful day. It's actually a sad day. And something happened here in Ehiala. Some vehicle were attacked. You can see. Where? In Ehiala. In Ehiala. So some vehicle was attacked. And we don't know where they are coming from. So I think we need to identify. This is the plate number. So we are looking for identification. So this is the plate number, and you can see this is where the bullet was attacked. So, and the cars were shattered, and this probably the man. The driver is lying. Is he the driver? No, this is not the driver. This is the so this is the boss. You can start the boss is dead. So can you recognize his picture? Yeah, he's dead. So if he is your brother or your siblings or your uncle, you should let us know about it. So, and over here is the driver. You can see the driver is here. So this is the driver. He was also shot. So I don't know. We need identification. So we need to find where their family are from. We just need identification. So that's why we are doing. That's why I'm doing this video to let you guys know about it. So this is the plate number. It says Kogi DJK 527AA, Federal Republic of Nigeria. So you can see the blood over here. I don't know. Please, can you open this one? Let's see what is inside. Who is it? Open the boot. Let's see what is inside. Well, you cannot open. So we are trying to identify where they are from. So we need contact. So if they are your family, please let us know about it. We really need help right now. So you can see everybody is angry, everybody is worried. We want to help them, but we couldn't help them. All we need is identification. So you can see over here. So guys, please help us if you have any means that we can reach to their family. It's very, very important. So you can see the car, everything was shattered. You can see there is blood everywhere. So let me show you the picture of the man once more. Let me go the other side so you can see the picture. Excuse me. Excuse me. So this is the man. You see him? Yeah. So all we need is help. So guys, thank you for watching. All you could do is to share the video, share it with on your social media platform. Maybe we can get the contact of their family and tell them. So we are currently at Our Lady of Rose. Our Lady of Rose. That's where we are. So we need some contact. So thank you guys for watching, and help a brother to reach out to his family. Bye. Bye-bye.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJ ATV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.